many influencers wearing this, and dude, this is so good. Like the quality of this is so good. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hopefully you all are doing great and you all are safe. So if someone is new over here, hi, I'm Mandra Siddesh and I do videos based on challenges, vlogs and hauls. If you like this content, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. And also, coming to the point, as you all have read by the title, this video is based on a neck piece haul. Okay, so I'm gonna show you all the neck piece collections what I have. I guess I'll be dividing this video into one part, like part 1 and part 2, because I have too many, okay?
I have too many. I don't know, I'm obsessed with them like recently. I don't know. So yeah.
So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, the first website what I bought was from this website. I guess you all are familiar with this one because they have around 3 lakh followers on Instagram, and it is called as everstylish.com if you all don't know. And yeah, let me get into it. So guys, before starting this haul, I have few things to tell you all. That is, I don't remember the prices because I bought all these jewels a way long before, like around 6 months. I don't remember, so just ignore this, okay? I'll just add the amount somewhere over here on the screen, or you all can check the description. Like if you have any queries, you all can check the description because every link will be added over there, okay? First one are these. Can you all see it? You have around 3 layers. Yeah, I guess you all can see it. Okay, and to be very honest, the quality is good, but I don't know, the color is changing day by day because I have never used this, okay? I have never touched it, but the color is changing. To be very honest, I don't like the gold, like the proper gold. I just like the rusted one. I don't know why, okay? And yeah, these are good because one is thin, like this chain is thin. This around thick, like it's one round thicker, and this is the same size of the other one. So it will look good when you wear it. I'm just gonna add the picture of me wearing this so you all will get an idea about it. Yeah, and this was for around, like it was below 300. I remember this was below 300 in their website, and yes guys, it's worth to buy. The color is fading, and if you all like the golden color, then it's not worth to buy. And yeah, it's good. You all can give it a try, but if you want gold, then don't. So guys, the second one are these, and I'm just obsessed with this because I wore this on my birthday. Like when I went out with my friends, I was wearing this and it looks so good on me. I'll just add a picture over here, you all can see it. And also it has a ring over here, like can you all see it? Yeah, it has a ring in the second chain, and this one is so thick and it looks so good when you wear it. And yeah, I would recommend you all this. And the price, I don't remember the price, I'm so sorry for that. I'll just add the price somewhere over here, just check it out, okay guys? So let's get into the next one. One are these. I know you all are obsessed with this because they're still trending. Like I can see many influencers wearing this, and dude, this is so good. Like the quality of this is so good. So guys, as you all have seen, this has 3 layers in it, and the first layer has this small heart. It is so pretty, and the second one is just normal, like it's like a brick. If you all are tomboy, then it will suit you, okay? And the last part is my favorite. Like, oh god, this has this lock, and it looks so pretty when you wear it because lock is something very unique. I don't know, I just like the lock in this chain. And yeah, I bought this for only $279 from Amazon because I had an offer going on and I bought it. Simple, you all can go. I'll just add the link in the description. You all can check it out, guys. The quality is too good and the pricing was also good. Okay guys, the next one are these. Can you all see it? How pretty are they? Like dude, it is great, okay? And yeah, coming to the point, it is 2-layered chain, and you all can wear it as a single layered chain also. Like you can just separate this over here and you all can wear that as well. Okay, it came out. Simple. So coming to the point, it has a button detailing over here, as you all can see, and I have worn this a lot of times, guys. Like I have worn this a lot of time. Okay, coming to the point, the quality of this chain is so good. Like I have worn it a lot of times, okay, but the quality is so good and the color is still the same. And I don't know for how much I bought this. I bought this from a site called Shop Trendy. I don't know. Okay, I'll just add a picture of their Instagram ID over here so that you all can go and shop. And to be very honest, this is so good. And I gave only $1.99 or something for this too. Like this two chains. Okay, coming to this one, it has this star detailing over here. This is so pretty, like too pretty. When you wear a modern dress, it looks so good. And yeah, I do love this, and I got it in a very cheaper price, guys. You all can go and give it a try because the quality of this is bomb. So guys, coming to the last but one chain of this haul, and yeah, here you go. This is one of the prettiest chain I have ever seen. Okay, like it has 4 layers in it. Okay, just wait and see it. You all have already seen it has 4 layered chain, and to be very honest, I just love these two. Like, okay, wait, not these two, okay, I just love these two because it goes so well when you wear only these two, and it looks so pretty. Like, it is thick and it has pearl and also a pendant. I don't know what is inside it. Okay, I don't know what is there, but it has a pendant in between, and this looks very pretty. I have never worn this, but I will for sure. And also these two are just simple. Okay, in this pendant you all can see an elephant. The last one has just a normal beads over here, and yeah, I don't like this part, but yeah, these two are my favorite, and I paid around $370 or something for the whole chain, and it is worth it. Like, it is worth it, guys. I just bought this chain from one of the website called, I don't remember the website name. I'll just add the picture over here. You all can go and buy it from them. And also I'll just add the link in the description so that you won't miss it out. And also guys, coming to the last one and my favorite one. Wait. Can you all see it on me? Like, it's so pretty, so cute, good, and this is so simple. Okay, that is what I want. And also this was gifted to me from one of my friends on my birthday, and this is from Urbanic, and I don't know the price. I'm so sorry for that. And also guys, I have something to tell you all. If you haven't participated in my first giveaway, please do go and participate. And also guys, if you have liked this video, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, guys. Meet you all very soon.